Hello, I just got a new set in the mail today, and this is my 4-piece combo pack in the large with the 5/8 inch spacing in it. And one thing that is really awesome about this one is comparable like to your full nifty knit set. This is the largest one in it, but it has some more pegs. Like I wrote on them, this one has 53 pegs. So that is great because then I can make my hats just slightly larger than what I could with my nifty knitter set, and I'm absolutely thrilled with that. I don't really have a lot to say about it. It's really cool. I haven't used it yet, but I'm very excited to use it. I'm actually going to use this large loom out of it and make a hat tonight. Okay, that's really it. This is just a product review. It's from Cindy Wood Crafts, and I absolutely love it. And thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.